Hello everyone, welcome to Bog's Kitchenist channel, and today's video I'm going to share about you guys my application journey to Canada, and today is my interview sa Canadian employer, and medyo nervous tayo ngayon. But I really hope so that I can get this job order but if not, but it's okay. For me, like, just to calm myself right now, because this is my first time how I feel like sobrang nervous talaga sa buong buhay ko talaga, like, aside from personal, like, sa iba, yung mga nangyayari sa bahay nyo, iba yun, yung kaysa sa ngayon, like, you're really hoping and you're eager to take this job order. And this is my first time actually to apply, like, sana makuha talaga ako. So yes, so to calm myself, I read a Bible and saw this verse. It's Proverbs 19 verse 21. So many are the plans in the mind of a man, but it is the purpose of the Lord that will stand. So parang yun nga, nasabi ko sa sarili ko, ay oo nga naman. Even though how eager I am, and like, kung ano talaga yung will ni Lord, if hindi ko man makuha ngayon yung job order na to, is like, siguro mayroon pang much better na maging employer mo. So yun na lang ang pinanghahawakan ko today. And yun, I'm going to update you later. I'm going to record what the employer, Canadian employer, asked me to share with you, to inspire you, not or maybe to inspire you guys, but what are the questions, the possible questions that she's going to ask. So yun lang. Ang YouTube kasi na channel ko, hindi lang talaga ngayon na sa pagluluto lang. I want to record it, every details na my journey ko na din sa pang-araw-araw ko, what I'm doing here in Hong Kong or whatsoever, because I'm planning this to cross country, and my current boss, they are good to me, but I think maybe I don't belong in here. So let's see, and kung anong will ni Lord, yun lang po. So that's for the moment. I'm going to prepare anytime the Canadian employer will call me right now. So I'm going to prepare. So until here, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.